Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm gonna share with you guys my night suit haul. Now recently I purchased some night suits from Myntra. They are from the same brand, but this video is not sponsored by the brand. It's just that I like my night suits to be some kind of way. I like them to be contemporary modern, and that brand was delivering it, so I thought let's go ahead and buy all of them. Now I really like the night suits that I have that I'm going to show you guys, and if you like something like this. Now if I told you the top that I'm wearing is actually a part of a night suit, would you believe it? This is so versatile, the fact that it's a night suit and I can wear it in multiple different ways. I have been wearing this top so much at home, outside. It's just so beautiful. You can style it in multiple ways. So I think I've already given you guys a lot of introduction about the video. Now without any further ado, let's just get into the video. Alright, so let's start with what I'm wearing right now. So I have this really nice black striped night suit on. This is what the picture looks like on the website, and this is what the fabric looks like. As you can see, it's a full blown lower, and I am not into lowers or full pants when it comes to loungewear because I just cannot. So I got this one simply because so that I could use it in my videos, and also the fact that this is in the fabric rayon cotton, which is super comfortable. Like, if you haven't tried this fabric, you have to try it. This is so good. You'll not even feel like you're wearing anything. It's that breezy and easy to be in. So this is really comfortable. It's black, it looks really nice, and since it has vertical stripes, it makes me look taller, which is nice. So yeah, this is what that looks like. And let's talk about the top. Now almost all of the tops that I'm going to show you guys are striped, have straps which are adjustable, so that's great. And they have this lacy kind of a thing which makes it look really elegant and bougie. So I really like that. It's very comfortable. Like the top, the size I got for all of them I think is L. Otherwise I'll mention it in the description box so you can check it out, but I think I got L size, and this is what the fitting looks like on me. They are really nice. Now let's move on to the other one. Now after the black one, let's show you guys some print. So the next one I got is this. Look at how beautiful the print is. It has this beautiful white lacing at the bottom. Now these ones are shorts. It has gotten a bow kind of a thingy, and this one is in a little, the fabric, if you could see, it's a little thick fabric, like the kinds bed sheets have. Yeah, it's exactly that. So जो thick bed sheets होती है ना, जो आप एक बार set कर दो तो वो अपनी जगह से नहीं हिलती, it's that kind of fabric. But I feel like इसको एक बार wash करोगे तो it will get softer, and yeah, very comfortable. It's a pure cotton basically. So this is what the shorts look like, and the top for this one also looks like this. So this again has that lacy thingy at the front. The straps are adjustable, and at the back it has gotten an elastic, so it's not loose or something. Like, it's comfortable, but it has that elasticated band so that I don't know, it's comfortable however it is. Now this is what that looks like. It's very thick material, so if you are into shorts you can check this one out. They have like multiple prints, so I mean उसकी तो कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है कि आपके पास कितने प्रिंट्स है. You'll find something that you'll actually really like. Now moving on to my favorite one. I absolutely love this one. First of all, look at the print. I mean, can you see? I think there's too much lighting, you cannot see the print properly. I'll leave the picture here. This is so beautiful. This is in satin. Everything else is cotton or cotton mix, but this one is in this satin material. This is so pretty, and look at the lace detailing at the side. Can you see? It's actually really beautiful. I like that. And the top also is super beautiful. I could actually wear it as just as a top. Again has the lacing detail. आपको lighting में देख नहीं रहा होगा because the lighting is too much. Leave the picture right here, और या फिर मेरा try on haul भी चल रहा होगा. So you can see it looks really pretty. The shorts are, some of you might feel like the shorts are too short, so आप देख के लेना if you can, or if you are comfortable wearing it. But I think it looks really pretty, and I love this. Okay, so moving on to the next one. Again I got full lower in this one. So this iska print up dekho, it's so pretty, it's so summery. I feel like I want to go to Goa wearing this. It's so comfortable, and जब आप इसको पूरा as a set पहनते हो और अगर आप टॉप को इन कर लो, it looks like a proper jumpsuit. If you add on a belt or something, it is a full blown outfit. If you just accessorize, trust me, it's gonna look so beautiful. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is what the print for this one looks like. Again, the fabric, I don't even need to tell you guys, the fabric of all of them is very comfortable. Otherwise आप Myntra के description में भी देख सकते हो कि exactly क्या fabric है. And yeah, this is what that looks like. इसका top भी बहुत सुंदर है. My sister wore it in Chandigarh as a, you know, just like as a top. So you can imagine कि actual में अच्छी quality है, and it looks really nice even when you don't wear it as a loungewear. Okay, all right, so moving on to the last one, we have this one. Now this one is in the navy blue color और इसमें जो flowers हैं, it has small flower prints. So ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा pretty सा shade है. If you are into darker colors, you'll really like this. Again, same top just like others. आगे lace है, पीछे elastic है, और everything is same. This also I really like. इसका भी I think fabric is cotton और rayon cotton का mix, so it's very comfortable. Bottom again we have shorts. तो ये बहुत ही pretty shorts हैं. Again इसके यहाँ पे भी side पे lace लगी हुई है. जो satin वाला मैंने आपको दिखाया इसके पहले, that you cannot wear when it's too hot. Like that you can only wear when you are sitting in the AC, because otherwise it's not gonna be good. It's not a summery fabric. But जो ये सारे बाकी सारे हैं, this you can wear in summers. It's really cooling, and it's just really nice and breathable fabrics. Alright guys, so that was it for my quick night suit haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful to you guys in case you were looking for night suits. I leave all the links in the description box below, so you can check them out from there. Now I'll also style them in multiple different ways on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. This is my ID right here. You can follow me there for a lot of other updates as well. Now if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment below which one's your favorite. I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you so much. Bye.